नमस्कार। आज जो ये क्वेश्चन मैं लेके आया हूं इट इज फ्रॉम सरफेस केमिस्ट्री related to adsorption. So question is, in the study of adsorption of nitrogen gas on FeAl2O3, the surface is provided by Al2O3 and Fe at 77 Kelvin and the area occupied by a molecule of nitrogen is this. So let us write what is given. So first given is area occupied by a molecule of nitrogen. It is denoted by S. So S is area occupied by a molecule of nitrogen and it is equal to 16.2 angstrom square. Let's convert it into meter square. So it is equal to 16.2 into 1 angstrom is 10 raised per minus 10 meter. So it is 16.2 into 10 raised per minus 20 meters. So this is the area occupied by a molecule of nitrogen. Then if specific area of Al2O3 is 14.46 meter square per gram, so it is denoted by A and it is equal to, and this specific area of Al2O3 means it is adsorbent. Now if it is adsorbent, this adsorbent area is occupied by the nitrogen molecules. Now whole this surface is occupied by the nitrogen molecule. So it is also equal to area occupied by nitrogen molecules. So total area occupied by the nitrogen molecule is area of specific area of Al2O3 and it is equal to 12.46 meter square, right? And we have to calculate Vm. So Vm is volume of nitrogen gas at STP required to completely cover the surface of adsorbent by unimolecular layer. तो हमें जो फाइंड आउट करना है वो है वॉल्यूम. किसका वॉल्यूम? ऑफ नाइट्रोजन गैस एट एसटीपी विच इज रिक्वायर्ड टू कंप्लीटली कवर द सरफेस ऑफ adsorbent बाय यूनिमोलिकुलर लेयर. अब आपको एरिया occupied by a molecule of nitrogen is given. Total area covered by the nitrogen molecule is also given. So from S and A we can calculate number of molecules required to cover this whole area, because total area we know. So from these two terms, number of molecules of nitrogen gas required to cover area of Al2O3 means area of adsorbent equal to total area over area of one molecule, 12.46 meter square per gram and 16.2 इंटू 10⁻⁻20 मीटर स्क्वायर। ये आ गया अपने पास नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन गैस रिक्वायर्ड टू कवर कितना 1 ग्राम ऑफ Al2O3, क्योंकि स्पेसिफिक एरिया इज गिवन टू अस, सो एक पर ग्राम इतना मॉलिक्यूल चाहिए हमें। वॉल्यूम ऑफ 6.022 into 10⁻23 molecules of nitrogen at STP is equal to 22.4 liter. So volume of A upon S, let it be A over S, molecules of nitrogen required to cover surface area of Al2O3 is equal to 22.4 divided by 6.022 into 10⁻23 into A by S. So this is our formula now. So this part, because volume of A over S molecules required to cover the area of Al2O3, so area is covered by unimolecular layer. That means this is our VM, volume of nitrogen gas required to cover the surface of adsorbent, and that adsorbent is Al2O3 by unimolecular layer at STP is equal to 22.4 liter divided by 6.022 into 10⁻23 into A by S. See, meter square cancel. So there is no need to convert this unit. It remains liter. So 12.46 divided by 16.2 into 10⁻⁻20. So just multiply 22.4 and 12.46. The value comes out to be, yes, what is the value? Just multiply these two. 279.104. And what about this? 6.022 into 16.2. So it is 97.5564. And 10⁻23, 10⁻⁻20. So it is 10⁻3. So we can write 10⁻⁻3 liter per gram. Now divide 279 by 97, 279.104 by 97.5564. So value comes out to be, it is 2.86 into 10⁻⁻3 liter per gram. So 10⁻⁻3 liter means 1 ml. So it is 2.86 ml centimeter cube per gram. That's it. So this is the answer of this particular question. It is simple mole concept. सिर्फ आपको इतना सा पता होना चाहिए कि what is VM. So VM क्या है? Volume of nitrogen gas which is required to cover the surface of Al2O3 by unimolecular layer. और कितना एरिया वो कवर करेगा? That is the area of the adsorbent. और एक मॉलिक्यूल एरिया ऑक्यूपाई करता है अगर S और टोटल एरिया कवर करना है A, तो कितने मॉलिक्यूल यूज होंगे उसके लिए, दैट इज A/S। तो मॉलिक्यूल्स फाइंड आउट कर लिया हमने, और आपको एसटीपी भी पता है कि अगर एवोगाड्रो नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल हो तो वॉल्यूम इतना ऑक्यूपाई करता है कोई भी गैस। तो अगर हमारे पास A/S मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं तो एसटीपी पे वॉल्यूम कितना वो ऑक्यूपाई करेगा, दिस इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ A/S molecules of nitrogen required to cover area of Al2O3 reduced to STP at STP, right? So इतना हो जाएगा, इतने लीटर पर ग्राम, क्योंकि स्पेसिफिक बात की है, स्पेसिफिक एरिया ऑफ Al2O3, और फिर हमने Vm अकॉर्डिंगली, और ये अपना वैल्यू जो है दैट इज Vm, और Vm हमने फाइंड आउट कर लिया। जस्ट it is a simple question of mole concept. That's all about this question. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do like, subscribe and share my channel. God bless you all. Happy learning. And don't forget to press bell icon so that you will get notification of my next video.